Use of a and an. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, A to C. Of these, A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the rest are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. When we speak about one person, place, animal, bird, or a thing, we use a or an. When to use a or an? When the first letter of the word is a consonant, we write a before it. When the first letter of the word is a consonant, we write a before it. For example, a cat, a ball, a rose. When the first letter of the word is a vowel, we write an before it. When the first letter of the word is a vowel, we write an before it. For example, an apple, an egg, an umbrella. Let's go with some few examples, filling the blanks with a or an. Here we go. Hat, orange, chair, bat, elephant, hen, ant, fish, ice cream, mango, ink pot, dog. Go with the answers. Let's check. A hat, an orange, a chair, a bat, an elephant, a hen, an ant, a fish, an ice cream, a mango, an ink pot, a dog.